Alright, so I'm going to show you guys my brow routine, and first I start off with an angled brush, and then I use the MAC Dip Brow kind of pomade, and then put it on both sides, and then use a tissue to wipe off the excess to make it straight, and then I just start doing the bottom of my eyebrow first and outlining it and put like a little bit in the front. And then you start filling in on the top, and don't put so much pressure so then it won't look so harsh. And then you want to grab a spoolie and just blend it all out. And then I brush the front part just to make it look gradient. And then just copying the same thing on my right eye. Now you want to get a flat concealer brush and some concealer, and then diffuse the concealer on the pan so it's not a lot. And then you want to carve out the bottom of your brow. And you want to do this kind of slowly so then you won't mess up. And then you want to take a blending brush and blend out the concealer. So you can leave it like this, but I like to have my brows look more bold, so I'll conceal more on the top. Now you want to set your brows with some powder, and I'm using the Anastasia brow powder. And lastly, you want to set your brows with a brow gel, and this will keep all your brows in place. And this is the finished look. Thank you for watching.